Brooklyn Independent Television.
Welcome to Brooklyn Review. I'm Brian Vines. We're going to start this edition of Brooklyn Review with a little show and tell. Now, primary day has come and gone, and the polls are closed. And aside from the fact that this was an unusual June election, it was also the first time that New Yorkers have gone to the polls in newly drawn post-census election districts. We were watching some hotly contested races that in the end turned out to be more landslide than nail-biter. After 30 years in Congress, Representative Ed Towns announced that although he, quote, believed firmly that we would have won a 16th term, unquote, decided he wouldn't seek another 2 years in office, clearing the way for New York State Assembly member Hakeem Jeffries and New York City Council member Charles Barron to become the frontrunners to replace Towns as the representative of the 8th Congressional District. After some spirited campaigning and at least one questionable and unsolicited endorsement, Jeffries was selected as the Democratic nominee with a reported 75% plurality. In the 7th Congressional District, 20-year veteran congressional rep Nydia Velázquez stared down what was widely thought of as the most competitive challenge of her political career, but walked away with the Democratic nomination and 58% of the vote, while her closest competitor, New York City Council member Eric DeLon, earned 31% of the vote. We will of course keep you updated as we move into the general election when these Democratic nominees take on the Republicans to win their seats in Congress.
Watch this and other Brooklyn Independent Television episodes online at bricartsmedia.org/BIT.